Hey there, and welcome to How to Draw. Today, we'll be creating two adorable versions of Sky and Oren from Sprunki Incredibox. This is a super simple and fun tutorial, perfect for beginners. So grab your paper, pencil, and let's get started. Step 1. Sketching the head shapes. Start by drawing two tall rounded shapes for the heads. Keep them side by side, with a little space in between. Make the top slightly curved to give them a softer, cute appearance. These will be the base for Sky and Oren. Drawing advice. Use light strokes when sketching. This way, it's easy to erase or adjust if needed. Building shapes step by step is key to making your drawing look polished. Step 2. Adding Sky's features. Left. For Sky, start by drawing two large oval eyes near the top of the head. Shade the lower halves of the ovals to create a sleepy look and add small rounded eyebrows above. Next, draw a small curved mouth for a slightly surprised expression. Finally, add rounded ears and a small swoop of hair at the top. Drawing advice. Focus on expression. The placement of eyebrows and the curve of the mouth can completely change the mood of your character. Experiment with small tweaks to get it just right. Step 3. Adding Oren's features. Right. Now, let's draw Oren. Start with two droopy eyes, just like Sky's, but color the lower halves orange to match Oren's style. Add teardrop shapes under each eye for the iconic crying look. Next, draw a wiggly small mouth for a subtle sad expression. Add headphones on both sides of the head, connected by a band over the top, and a few zigzag hairlines poking out beneath. Drawing advice. Don't stress about symmetry with expressions. Sometimes, slight imperfections make characters feel more natural and relatable. Step 4. Drawing the bodies. Both characters have simple, elongated bodies. Draw two straight, rounded shapes below the heads. Keep them minimalist to highlight their expressive faces. Drawing advice. Simpler designs can have just as much character as detailed ones. Focus on the proportions and shapes to keep the overall look balanced. Step 5. Final details and cleanup. Time to refine your lines. Erase any sketch marks you don't need and go over the outlines with a darker pen or marker. If you'd like, add color to make your Sky and Oren pop. Use blues for Sky's eyes and orange with blue tears for Oren. This step is where your drawing really comes to life. And there you have it, an adorable Sky and Oren from Sprunki Incredibox. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like, subscribe for more easy drawing lessons, and share your creations in the comments below. I'd love to see your versions of Sky and Oren. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun.